Two of the hottest website builders are going head to head, but which one will help you create the site of your dreams? On one side, Webflow, known for its powerful customization and professional features. On the other, Universe, designed for fast, mobile, first website creation. We're testing them for usability, creative control, pricing, integration options, support, and a few surprises. Forget the marketing fluff. We'll show you what these platforms are actually like to use. Each round earns points, so you'll see clear winners in every category, and the final champion at the end. Trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's how we're going to do this. There are 6 main things you want to compare with website builders, right? We're talking pricing, ease of use, features and flexibility, mobile experience, community and resources, and finally, publishing and SEO. We'll hit each one, give you the scoop, and pick a winner for every round. Okay, let's kick things off with pricing. Webflow definitely gives you a free tier so you can play around, and their plans are pretty flexible, starting at $14 a month. Plus, hosting and SSL are thrown in. But yeah, if you want the heavy-duty stuff, it's going to cost you. Now, Universe, on the other hand, actually comes in a little cheaper. There's a generous free plan, paid versions start at $10 monthly, and e-commerce is included even in the base plan, which is honestly kind of rare. Just know, if you want the pro tools, you'll need to upgrade. Long story short, Universe takes this one for being more affordable and honestly easier to get started with. Now, ease of use. Webflow's got this seriously powerful drag and drop editor. You get a ton of control, you can tweak just about anything. It kind of feels like you're in the cockpit of a spaceship. But with great power comes a learning curve. It's definitely best used on a good old-fashioned desktop. Switching over to Universe, though, it's a totally different vibe. It's all mobile first, straight up drag and drop, and runs on a grid editor that makes the whole thing super approachable, especially if you're just starting out. It's missing some of those really fine controls, but honestly, sometimes you just want to keep things simple. So if we're talking pure ease, Universe is just way more beginner friendly. Another win for Universe here. Alright, so what about features and flexibility? This is where Webflow really pushes ahead. Support for custom code? Check. Built-in CMS, fancy animations, APIs, integrations with pretty much anything. If you want to make your site do awesome, unique stuff, Webflow is kind of the playground. The flip side? It can feel a little intimidating if you're new. Universe, though, sticks to the basics and keeps e-commerce in every plan, which is nice. You can do some custom code if you shell out for a higher plan, but integrations and complex features aren't really its thing. So if you want maximum flex features aren't really its thing. So Webflow is kind of the playground. Oh, and here's something cool that might surprise you. Did you know Universe actually lets you build entire websites from your phone in, just a few minutes? Yeah, it's that fast. Not something you see every day, right? Next up, mobile experience. Webflow does let you design super responsive sites, that's great. But here's the catch. All the editing and heavy lifting is best done on desktop. There's no way around that. Now, Universe, oh man, it's totally built for your phone. You can make a whole website on your couch, in line for coffee, whatever. The interface is mobile first, easy to preview and edit, and it seriously just works. The only trade-off is it's a little more limited on desktop. But when it comes to pure mobile vibes, Universe wins by a landslide. Community and resources. Alright, here's where Webflow kind of flexes. Their designer and developer community is massive and super active. Templates, tutorials, a marketplace for assets. If you need inspiration, answers, or help, you're totally covered. Sometimes maybe even overwhelmed by how much is out there. Universe is catching up with a growing user base and some simple templates, but they just don't have the same depth of tutorials or that big nerdy community yet. So yep, Webflow grabs the crown here. Next, let's talk publishing and SEO. With Webflow, you've got some pretty fine-tuned SEO controls. Meta tags, open graph, custom domains, fast CDN, and flexible workflows for publishing. You'll need to do a little setup to unlock the advanced stuff, but it's all there if you want it. Universe? It's got instant mobile publishing and the basics covered, like titles and descriptions. But advanced SEO is kind of limited, and you're a bit restricted when it comes to customizing URLs and such. So if SEO and publishing power matter, this one's Webflow's game as well. Alright, quick visual check-in. If we plot these two on a chart, Universe shines in pricing, ease of use, and mobile. But Webflow takes over when it comes to powerful features, community, and SEO flexibility. It's a classic trade-off between depth and simplicity. So, my take, if you want to go pro, need dynamic features, or have plans to scale, just go with Webflow. It's made for designers who want control. But if you're brand new, or honestly just want to whip up a site on your phone without overthinking things, Universe makes it crazy simple. It's perfect for folks who want the fastest, easiest possible site builder. If this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to follow us for more smart tech picks. We're always digging into the best ways to launch your next project. See you in the next